The spiciest hot pot in the world. Ooh. Chat, this is the most spiciest hot pot in the world in Chengdu. That shit looks spicy, bro. Chat, look how much peppers it is. I need to have water on standby. Ooh, yo, y'all should try this with me. What's that? Squid? Oh, it's beef?
Can you hurry up and boil? Boil.
Oh, thank you. All right. The spiciest hot pot in Chengdu. All right, let's go. Here we go. Chat, what if it don't be spicy? I'm gonna be so bad. Oh my God, chat. I might die. I might actually die. All right, chat, we're about to try the spiciest hot pot in Chengdu, China. Here we go.
Okay? Do you like? Right? Come on. It's hot. When you first have it, it's not that bad, but it creeps up. Creeps up on you.
Oh my God! Oh my God! I just think it was a Karate Kid.
Yes!
In China! Oh, finally! Hold on, wait, I want to eat the pizza as well.
Yeah, coming soon.
I want to eat both at the same time.
Here we go. Nice to know you.
Thank you, my friend.
Here we go.
Oh.
Voila. Here we go.
Oh, here we go, finally.
Cheers. Okay. Buon appetito.
What?
Buon appetito.
Bon appetito!
Yeah, my bro.
First time eating Italian food. Hey, no, I want you to stand right here.
Okay.
Stand right here while I eat it. Let's try some Italian food in Italia. First time eating spaghetti and pizza. Let's try that. Let's try it. What the f? You ain't tell me it was that damn hot?
Hot, my friend.
What?
You don't know?
It's hot as
Come on. I'll give you a spoon.
God damn.